Okay.
And if you go like this,
Okay.
and kind of like detach it
Yeah.
a little bit, now you should be able to kind of put your finger in there and pull the iris all the way out.
Okay.
And if you look at it, you'll see the little muscle fibers that make it like a ring of muscles. And then after you get that out, you'll be able to pull out the lens. Yeah, show everybody your table there. You guys, look at the vitreous humor she's got. See that jelly-like substance? That's the lens.
There's more liquid in there.
And you probably got vitreous. There was some of it. That jelly-like, see that? Yeah, see the jelly-like stuff? That's the vitreous humor.
Is this part of the, is that just part of the iris that's attached to the lens?
Yeah. And actually, that's probably part of the ciliary body. And some of the muscles that control the lens. And it's attached to the vitreous humor.